What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to go over Pangolin, which is up 5.7% at 50 cents, the all important 50% resistance area. Currently testing it right now. We haven't really broke over it. Yes, I know there's 002 on the screen here, but we're not officially over it until we get over 52 cents here. So the market cap's back over $100 million, which is awesome. Breaking above that $90 million, which has kept us down there for quite a while. We have a circulating supply of 214 million with a max supply of 538 million. All-time high is 3 years ago, 1885. All-time low is 6 months ago. If you would have bought 6 months ago, you'd be up 41x. Insane. But those were dark days back there in October 2023. I remember it very, very vividly. Everything was tanking. Nobody wanted to put money into the market. So very rare that people actually buy the bottom. So with that, this is where you can currently pick it up, all these different exchanges. There's 3 different pages down here. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on PNG. All right, ladies and gentlemen, PNG to the effing moon. But as of right now, it does look like we're gearing up for a push to the upside. We're looking very, very similar to what we did right here. I'm pretty much sounding like a broken record from my last TA, but it's following pretty much exactly as described on the last TA. Top to bottom right here, our current resistance, like we mentioned last time, is the 786 at about 52 cents. That's our area to overtake. Once we overtake that 786, that's kind of our moon line right there. That 786 has suppressed us since February 29th of 2024. We flirted above it briefly right here, but that was a fake out. So let's keep an eye on that, man. We're really, really close to breaking out there, and the MACD wants to flip bullish on the MACD. Look at this bearish momentum weakening right here. As soon as blue crosses over orange, it's straight up season for PNG. RSI is looking fantastic. We saw some consolidation right here. We actually did just put in a higher low nonetheless. So we have an official reversal on the RSI going from bearish downtrend to the start of a bullish uptrend. And then we have the WTX as well putting in a higher low. So in my personal opinion, PNG is looking ready for a breakout here. And the next breakout, like we mentioned on the last video, is up to around $4. I know I mentioned that last time, $4, and people in the comments were laughing at it. But just wait and see, man. The bull runs are crazy. A lot of you guys probably haven't even been around that long to experience a full-blown bull run, man. Prices go from 0 to 100 real quick here. But obviously, there's going to be some resistance areas on the way to $4. The first one being the 1, 2, 3, 6 at $1.50. So I'd have to assume if we break out, our next stop's probably going to be $1. Obviously, the dollar, the round number, then $1.50, and then the end result of the pump would bring us to that 1,618 at around $4.50. But PNG is looking strong. I don't see any sign of a capitulation coming. I see quite the opposite. I see a pump coming here for PNG as soon as we get above that 52, 55 cents area and make some moves above that 786. Our next stop's $1, and then we have $1.50, and then you get above $1.50, which is your moon line, then it's straight up to 450, guys. So PNG is looking solid. I think we're easily to $4 plus here soon. And then for the bull run top, if I had to make a guess from the high to the low right here, let's actually go to the bottom of the wick. I'd be keeping a close eye on around $20 for PNG. Some people might say that's a little bit of FUD right there, but realistically, I think $20 for PNG is a good number to hit during the bull run. And if you go from the start to the bottom here, that 1618 is right up there at around $20. So $20 bull run top for PNG. As of right now, it does look like we're about ready to see an explosive movement to the upside. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.